kids, welcome to yammukidstv. Yellow color fan, happy face, smiling. Eight shapes for straw, black marker, circle, circle coloring, black marker, circle, circle draw. Okay, then heart shape, octane shape, octane shape, then rectangle, rectangle shape, rectangle shape, rectangle. Okay, rainbow circle, RAINBOW, circle, then rectangle, REVENGLE, rectangle, then heart, HEART, heart. Okay, let's coloring, rainbow coloring, red, first, red color, which color? Red, then orange, then orange, then green, green color, then yellow, color, red color, heart shape, coloring, red, super red. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel kids, please subscribe.